In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Coinbase identity verification not working. If your verification keeps failing or you're stuck in a loop, the quickest path to a resolution is to contact Coinbase through their official help center and submit your issue after signing in, so it's tied to your account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase help. This ensures you land on the official support site rather than a third-party page. On the help center, you'll find general articles, but for identity issues, you'll want to reach an authenticated support flow. Scroll down the Help Center page and click Contact Us. This takes you to the support options where you can create a case or chat, depending on what's available in your region and at that time. On the Contact page, scroll down and choose the product or topic related to verification. Look for options like Account Verification, Identity Verification, or Account Access. Selecting the right category helps route your request to the correct team, which can speed things up. Next, click on Sign In for support. Coinbase handles account-specific problems only after you're signed in, both for security and so they can review your case history and any previous verification attempts. Enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account. Make sure it's the correct one you use to sign in. If you have multiple accounts, stick with the one you're trying to verify. Avoid entering any example or secondary addresses here. Click Continue. From here, follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to verify your email through a magic link or a code, complete two-factor authentication, or confirm recent activity. Just proceed step by step until you're fully signed in to the support portal. After signing in, you can type your concern about identity verification not working. Be as specific as possible. Include what you're seeing on screen, any exact error messages when the issue started, and the device and browser or app version you're using. If you recently changed your address, name, or document, mention that too. It's helpful to note your country and the type of ID you're submitting, but do not share full document numbers or any sensitive personal details in open text fields. Clear, concise details help the support team verify what went wrong and advise you on the next steps. Once submitted, keep an eye on your email for replies from Coinbase Support. If you receive follow-up questions, respond promptly so they can continue investigating. That's it. By going through the official help center and signed-in support flow, you'll give Coinbase the information they need to fix your identity verification issue safely and efficiently.